Hello, um, good morning, listeners, and welcome to our channel Zero to Infinity. Today's video we can talk about the 3rd of May 2024, Friday, MC Donald's Kashiwama store. Employee scene, challenge crew, female clerk, and inquiry apologize to grandfather for ice cream. Machine breakdown. This is all happened at the Kawashima McDonald's store where the employee and clerk, uh, female clerk, argument with grandfather for a ice cream, and after this they felt their mistake and they apologize for this. Guys, what do you think about all this matter? For more updates you can subscribe to our channel Zero to Infinity, and stay tuned, stay healthy.